Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make non-alcoholic beer. First, understand that non-alcoholic beer has a very low alcohol content, typically under 0.5%. We'll explore two main strategies, either stopping fermentation early or removing alcohol after the brewing process. This guide focuses on an easy method, perfect for home brewers looking to create their own low-alcohol beverages with minimal specialized equipment. One effective way to make non-alcoholic beer is by limiting fermentation. Begin by choosing a yeast strain known for low attenuation or slow fermentation. Keep your fermentation temperature relatively cool, ideally around 60 degrees Fahrenheit, to further slow yeast activity. Crucially, stop the fermentation process early, usually within 1 to 2 days, before significant alcohol production occurs. This approach helps preserve the beer's original malt and hop flavors. Another method involves removing alcohol after full fermentation. Carefully heat your fermented beer to about 176 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, alcohol evaporates without boiling the beer, which can strip away desirable aromas and flavors. An alternative is to dilute your fully fermented beer with fresh, unfermented wort. This technique helps to lower the overall alcohol percentage while also adding back body and flavor, creating a balanced, non-alcoholic beverage. Once you've achieved your desired low alcohol content, it's time for the finishing touches. Carbonate your non-alcoholic beer using either a small amount of priming sugar for natural carbonation or by using forced carbonation with a CO2 tank. Remember, meticulous sanitation is paramount at every stage to prevent spoilage. Finally, store your delicious homemade non-alcoholic beer in a cool, dark environment to maintain its quality and freshness. Enjoy your refreshing, low-alcohol creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.